BISSELL Turboclean Carpet Cleaner 3D952 is a lightweight and compact upright carpet cleaner designed for everyday use, especially in homes with pets or small children. Weighing under 13 pounds, it is easy to carry up and down stairs and maneuver around tight spaces, making it convenient for quick cleanups. It features a 4-row deep reach power brush that works to lift dirt and stains from carpets and rugs, performing well on everyday messes and pet accidents. Its design also makes storage simple, as it can fit easily into closets without taking up too much space. While the Turboclean 3D952 is effective on lighter stains and offers great value for a budget-friendly carpet cleaner, it does have some limitations. Heavily soiled carpets or older, satin stains may require multiple passes or a more powerful model, and its fixed brush height means it may not adapt as well to thicker carpets. Some users also point out that being a consumer-grade model, it may not be as durable under heavy, frequent use, and cleaning the brush and tanks after use can be a bit tedious. Overall, the BISSELL Turboclean 3952 is best suited for small to medium spaces with low-pile carpets where portability, convenience, and affordability are top priorities.